WordPress tutorial for beginners. How to create your own WordPress membership site using WordPress and free plugins is explained by Cynthia Selva for you today. WordPress is the easiest way to create a money-making membership site. These step-by-step videos show you how to create them. Dear internet marketers, let me tell you a little bit about membership sites. There is no better way to make a steady income on the internet. You basically make a sale once and get paid for as long as that customer stays a member. If you provide quality content and provide a great value, people will stay members for a long time. The problem that many people run into is putting it all together. Many people have a great idea or a great product or service to offer, but they are stuck on the membership part of the equation. Some of the membership software out there is very expensive and complicated. What the beginner is looking for is something inexpensive or free that will do the job for them and is easy to implement. That is where WordPress comes in. WordPress is a powerful blogging system that can be used in many ways, including content management. By adding the right, free plugins to WordPress, you can turn it into a powerful site. I have done the hard part for you. I have created a 4-part video series that takes you through the whole thing, step by step, and I have included the crucial free plugin that will turn your WordPress blog into a membership site. There is nothing further to purchase. These videos you will learn the following: how to install WordPress, cPanel and manually, where to get the plugins to make your site more functional, which plugins to use to make your site search engine friendly, how to set up a single level recurring membership site, how to set up a multi-level single payment site. Once you get these videos and follow the instructions, you will have your site up and running within a couple of hours. There is nothing more you need to purchase, everything is included. You will need a domain name and hosting, but wait, there's more. You will also receive master resale rights, and private label rights to these videos. I will even include the plugin that I modified to make the membership site work. You also get a copy of this sales page. You also get the videos in 3 different formats: AVI, editable, Flash, streaming to watch in your browser, WMV, Windows Media Player. I spent days figuring out how to modify the plugin and use it and create these videos. You just click the link below and enjoy making money.